Nice cut off. Yeah, emerge to the right, slam on your brakes. Screwboro.
Incredibly nice. Anyways, yeah, so it starts.
There's the exit dive up there.
It starts at the DMC, the story. Vote for me because those other guys are out to get you. And so I had the privilege of following him around for.
Oh, what the? Really?
Like 8 hours.
Really?
I did like a ride along, and it just not picked up on that. I really don't. Both teams need to be a lot better. And I think they still both need to figure out...
red light, Ron.
The Mets need to figure out they both in a big way.
Will there come a day where we just abandon this concept of happiness? Because if the conditions are right...
Why are you taking so long to make a right turn?
So the Hamilton zone concept is constricting our creative thoughts whenever we might find life.
Hey, that was red light run over there, probably.
Had I been more mature, I could have relied on my own intrinsic strength,
Really?
understanding
Fuck
of
me.
sharing and of growth, and my capacity to love and nurture,
Exit dive.
and then allowed my
Yeah, everything's
daughter to
going
make a
on
free choice
wrong today.
as to whether she wanted to share or not to share effective management training. I expect a lot out of my employees, and I work hard to be friendly toward them and to treat them right. I don't feel any loyalty from them.
Exit dive.
If I were homesick for a day, they'd spend most of their time gabbing at the water fountain.
If this is what he's referring to, he's mistaken the 7 for a 1. Maybe. That's the best that I can do, because it's 80% of the same figure. I need a...
Time for the right left turn. Nissan driver. All Nissan drivers are awful, and they must be stopped. All of them.
They've got it in a big binder, and students like Jack the Sovic are posing with it. Now, by the way, Jack the Sovic
No stop.
is an alt-right whack job conspiracy theorist. True, we should not, and if we don't know, we should withhold judgment.
Why are you not a Christian?
Because I see the lyrics, whatever verity of the Christian
Nessel left. Like sucks.
Emerging out of their experience and conditioning, these maps are not the territory. They are a subjective reality, only an attempt to describe the territory.
Where are you going, dude?
The objective reality.
That's not how that
or the
works.
territory itself is composed of life.
Can't be on the wrong side of the street like that.
Human growth and happiness. We don't always have to have this stake. She paused and then added, "But you know why you don't like Star Wars? It's because you don't understand the philosophy of training of a Jedi Knight."
Nope. Nope. Gotta move over for the cups on the shoulder. Stop it.
And that's about plane crashes. Too bad I won't be able to make it to your Milan gig, as I live just across the border in Switzerland.
Red light, Ron.
You should visit Lugano.
You ever say that I'm a chicken shit piece of shit?
Yeah. You gotta turn the other cheek, so to speak.
Other cheek. This man has turned every cheek on his body. Something that Homer says about Flanders.
We're off the rails already.
Yeah, exit dive-ish.
Diamond set. All of a sudden, when he mentioned that, he got some attention. The cop on the other end
Exit
is
dive.
well aware that the biggest diamond heist in history just happened there. So pretty soon,
Yeah, but it sounds like this is your opinion. You were just trying to brush it off well, I was just sort of
I'm still
thinking
exploring,
out loud.
but I don't know. I don't know that I'm convinced that 48 people receiving
what are you doing up there?
scattered throughout whatever villages or whatever.
It's not
going to do
48 people.
You were diving to the right, now you're diving back to the left. Make up your mind!
Where does a movement start, Danny?
That was a protest. I was there as a reporter.
You know what? You didn't have to. I just happened to be there. You know where we were?
Where?
Douchebag.
We were recording an episode of The Godfather. We weren't animated yet.
Yeah.
We were
making real time voices.
And he was telling us to play by play.
He loves watching 4 news channels simultaneously. So
Douchebag!
What he had to say.
Yeah.
And I didn't.
Indictment that says just how corrupt and unethical this system is, that these people are unwilling to vote the right way. How crazy. And how crazy. How fucking crazy. That's exactly it. You you know, as a politician, this should never be your long-term plan.
Wait, did they
If
just
you're a
pull down in
politician,
front of the
your
guy?
long-term plan is to stay in the Senate. To
At least
stay in
he got
Congress,
out of the way.
Like, you're a bad. I just want to say that, like, you're an.
For reference on roller coasters, a G-force is considered universally safe at about 4G. Pilots
Come on,
and
dude.
astronauts wear G suits that help keep blood from leaving their brains and cooling in the leg.
Red light run. Yeah, there's something wrong with you.
Role players. That's what you said. Role players. So that's why I took.
No stopping. Oh look, there's a big white truck here.
Guy, a power play special.
You should be doing this right now. You take a broom handle, right? And you just fucking, you know, widest grip you can, and then bring it all the way back.
Nice cut off.
Basically, where you would have
Yeah, speed limit's 50 here. You can't be like cutting in front of people like that.
You know, so the bar is now like
the 1100s, and so that is just sort of like bedrock, right?
Exit dive.
This is a history that plays a background to everything that comes after.
Your family, professional preparation, or personal development. Many people see
Red light run.
success in one area can compensate for failure in another area.
I love that Kyle did this week. I'll do the most recent one Sunday.
Really, dude? You got a red light or the flashing yellow stupid thing. Really?
Here I come. You cannot. Ready or not? Heads up, gamers. Becoming elite.
Nice cut off.
Bring order to chaos. Ready or not is now officially available.
Yes, left turn dive is why not?
After earning a loyal following on PC. This is how you use Instagram. When somebody tells you to go to a fucking restaurant, what you do is you go to that restaurant and then go across the street. Go to that restaurant. What they lack in good food, they make up in
Really?
lack of having to fucking wait. I'm sorry. I'm an impatient person.
Another excellent way to become more self-aware regarding our own degree of proactivity
And no stop.
is to look at where we focus.
Red light run.